Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, measure the wall and cut panels 2 cm longer so you can trim later. Once done, clean, fill, and sand any defects so adhesive bonds. Make a plumb line to align the first zip strip. Position it about 1/2 inch above the ceiling for tension. Apply the adhesive tape to the wall if required, then zip the first panel onto the rail, pull taut but not overstretched, because you need a bit of give for smoothing. Once the first panel is secure, continue by aligning and zipping each subsequent strip to the rail so seams meet precisely. Make sure pattern matching is correct. Overlap by 0.5 cm when necessary, then zip tightly into place. Use a soft rubber squeegee and smooth from the center toward the edges to expel air and adhesive. Take care at seams so the vinyl seats evenly. After panels have set a little, trim the excess at top and bottom with a straight edge and a sharp blade. Finish by inspecting every seam and edge, then run a seam roller along joins to lock them down. That creates a lasting bond. Trim remaining excess material at the baseboards and ceiling, and clean any adhesive residue with the manufacturer's cleaner so surfaces look pristine. If a strip lifts, don't panic. Lift the affected area, apply a new adhesive strip or bead, reseat the panel, and roll firmly. This corrects most problems and prevents bubbles from returning when the wall settles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.